After a full day of shopping, we got to show you our store.
Steve got the 3 ties.
Yeah, the ties were really good quality ties, and they're the kind of ties that in the U.S. you're probably going to wind up paying somewhere between $80 and $100 a tie. They're pure tie silk. They're really well made, really good quality. And there they were selling them for essentially $25 a tie.
Yeah, it's 100% silk.
Right.
Yeah.
And so I wound up going ahead and buying 2 for myself and 1 for my friend. And we're really pleased with the quality of the ties.
This is the
Young
one.
doesn't like the one that I like the most. She thinks it's okay.
Yeah.
But she loves the other one that I picked for me and the
this
one I
is
picked for
so
my
good.
friend.
This is my favorite. He bought it for his friends. It's very rich and blue to purple to red.
It is a
Burgundy.
beautiful tie. I hope
Yeah.
he sees it. He loves it and he wears it all the time.
This is absolutely gorgeous color burgundy, but it's very dark burgundy, very
It's a
rich.
dark burgundy plain tie, but
Yeah,
goes really nice with a navy suit.
yeah, it's really nice.
She's going to be wearing my tie all the time.
And then I got this rope, and there's a beautiful embroidery on the top. How beautiful that is. Like that. It's a beautiful embroidery right here.
Where we didn't buy anything. Not that it wasn't good, it's just that we didn't need the stuff. And we liked this stuff, and we don't want to come home with a giant load of clothing and stuff. So we just got things that'll fit easily into our suitcase home. We have a lot of stuff. We've been all over the world, and there's only so much you can keep in terms of souvenirs. So we want to have 1 or 2 things that we're going to remember this place by, but we really don't want to go crazy. And so I got the ties, Young got the robe, and I got a gift for a friend, and that's our shopping here today.
longer, about 5 years. And it's the safest one you can have in the time. And over there is the upper one.